Now, let's take a look at parenting. Parenting objects together allows you to efficiently transform them. This feature is especially useful in animation. First, I've prepared these two cubes. We'll set the larger cube on the right as the parent and the smaller cube on the left as the child. The last object you select becomes the parent. So first, select the object you want to be the child, then select the object you want to be the parent. Next, go to the Object menu, select Parent, and then choose Object. And that's it! Parenting is now set up. The hotkey for this is Control-P. When parenting is applied, you'll see a dotted line connecting the objects. This serves as a visual confirmation of the parent-child relationship. If you transform the larger cube, which is the parent, the smaller child cube will follow its movements. However, if you transform the child cube, it won't affect the parent. Now, let's try parenting multiple objects. There can only be one parent, but you can assign multiple children. I'll add 2 more cubes. Select both of the new cubes first, then select the parent object last. Press Ctrl-P to apply parenting. Now, all objects follow the parent's transformations. You can also set a parent for an existing parent object, creating a multi-level hierarchy. Follow the same steps, selecting the final active object as the parent. In this case, the 3 smaller cubes become grandchildren in the hierarchy. If you check the outliner, you'll see that the objects are structured in a hierarchical order. I've renamed them for clarity. At the top, we have the grandparent, followed by the parent, and then the 3 child objects nested below. You can also set parenting directly in the outliner. Simply hold Shift, then drag and drop the object you want to parent onto the desired parent object. This will automatically set up the parent-child relationship. To remove parenting, select the child object, go to the Parent menu, and choose Clear Parent. The hotkey for this is Alt-P. However, when clearing parenting, the object might reset to its original transformation before parenting. To prevent this, choose Clear and Keep Transformations, which keeps the current transformations intact. Finally, let's talk about an object often used as a parent, the empty object. You can add an empty by pressing Shift-A and selecting it from the Empty menu. An empty is an object that only holds transform data. If you set an empty as the parent, you can control multiple objects at once, making it very useful for organization. Right now, I've added a plain axis empty. There are several empty shapes available, and you can change their appearance in the Data Properties panel. For cases like this, using a cube-shaped empty and resizing it to fit the objects before setting up parenting makes it easier to work with visually. And that's how parenting works in Blender.